Thanks to OutdoorsRockingChair.com, we have a chair to put together. Let's do this. So this is the LuxCraft Adirondack Swivel Glider, and we are putting it together. It came in two separate boxes, one for the base and one for the back and for the arms. It came really well packaged. I think the only thing that I didn't care for the packaging was that it's not all recyclable materials, but overall it got here safely to us, and that is what matters. The instructions were very clear. Everything was really well marked as far as A, B, C, D, and all the parts. You just had to match them up and then hook them together with the nuts and the bolts. Now, I would definitely say this is a two-person job, only because when you go to put together the back to the seat and you have to then attach it to the base, it is best if you have two people, because then you can actually line it up properly. But once again, things are so well marked that it just snapped together really easily. They did include a Allen wrench that helped twist everything together. The only other thing that you're going to need is a square head screwdriver to screw in these screws. But oh my goodness, I love it so much. Thank you, OutdoorsRockingChair.com, Rocking Furniture. This was amazing, and obviously my kids love it too. This looks amazing on my front porch. It gives me a great place to be able to watch my kids play and just enjoy being outside. Thank you again so much, Rocking Furniture. This is beautiful.